Hi, hello friends. Very good morning. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So here we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. Nifty daily has exactly respected the 0.5 again, and it has failed to reach the 17,000 levels. 17,000 levels has been, now it is going to act as a resistance because Nifty has closed below 17,000, so 17,000 will be acting as a resistance for now. So what we can expect from Nifty is the 17,000 has to be broken immediately. Until and unless the 17,000 is not broken, the next level, what is the next level, is the 16,890 will be taken out, because today we can expect a gap down today itself. If a gap down is seen and 17,000 is not taken out in the upside, then definitely 16,604 and 16,500 will be the levels where the Nifty will be seen very soon. So that is all about the price action in Nifty daily. Let us take a look in hourly chart for today. So what has happened today is there was a very clear gap down and followed by a good sideways market. Nifty however bounced in the earlier market, but still it came down, and the last moment it didn't clear 17,000 levels. So that is what has happened. Looking at the price action, what has happened is Nifty has formed a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it has went up to make a lower high, and it has come down towards the lower low, which is right now it seems like a double bottom. If yesterday's closure, this 16,824 is taken out, then that is going to be a very tough time for us. That is where Nifty will start coming down towards 16,600 and 16,500 levels. These area will be definitely acting as a support, 16,600 to 16,500 levels. That is all about Nifty's. Have a look on the open interest of Nifty. So Nifty has developed a very good resistance at support as well as at the same level, which is going to be a 17,000 level. So for this week till Thursday, this is going to be a level which will be acting as a strong resistance for now. If we are getting a gap down today, then this will become a strong resistance for this week. So going below, we have 16,900 levels having a good support, which has a good put option open interest, and below that 16,800, where we can see very less amount of call option writers. So these levels will be acting as a support for now. But if it is taken out, the 16,824 which I showed in the chart, if it is taken out, then slowly we will go towards the 16,500 levels. And if you see in the upside, there are huge resistance above 17,000 levels. Everything seems to be resistance. 17,050, 17,100, 17,200 seems a very good resistance. So we will not be reaching this level for this until this Thursday. If we are closing above 17,000 levels today, then we are good. These call options will be unwinded. We can see some good momentum in the upside. Else we will be seeing the downside moment towards 16,500. That is all about Nifty's levels and option strikes. So we'll go to the Bank Nifty levels and see what Bank Nifty says. So Bank Nifty is very clearly saying it is heading towards a downside, and as I have given this level on last Thursday, which is 35,820, is going to be this line which I have plotted last Thursday, which will be acting as a good support. And today it has breached that line and came towards the 0.5 ratio. And again, what has happened is it has bounced above this line and closed at 36,000. So 36,000 will be acting as a good resistance for now. So however, if we are getting a good gap down today, so 36,000 will be having a tough fight between the buyers and sellers. So that is all about the daily chart. We'll go to the 1 hour chart to see what can happen today. So there was a good gap down, and there was a sudden rise, almost like 500 points upside movement was seen. After that, another 200 points went up, but somehow there was a good sideways throughout the day. And what has happened in the end of the day is Nifty has closed at 36,080. That is what today we have seen a good sideways almost for past 6.5 hours. So there was a good sideways after this first hour. Then let's go and see what has happened in Bank Nifty's open interest. Yeah, so Bank Nifty has closed at 36,082, and let's see what is happening in the open interest levels. So if you see 36,000, call option has the highest open interest in nearby area. Next comes 35,000, 36,500 call option is having the highest. So what can we expect is, if this 36,000 is taken out in the downside, then we'll be going towards 35,000 and 35,500 and 35,000. That is what the open interest says, and that is what we see in the chart as well. So if this 36,000 is taken out in hourly, then what can happen is, if again we will be seeing 35,500 levels, and even if this low is taken out, which is 35,000 is taken out, then we will be going towards 34,670 is possible if this 0.5 is taken out in daily. So that is all about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And let us go back, and from today I'll try to put some stocks for the intraday and see how it goes. So we are looking at the Hdfc chart. So it is giving some sort of intraday and a small swing opportunity. So HDFC Bank has formed a double bottom. It has, if you look at the price action, it has formed a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and in the bottom exactly it has given a double bottom. So in the bottom of the downtrend we are seeing a double bottom. This bottom and this bottom becomes the double bottom, and let us plot the chart. So here it is the double bottom, and here it becomes the neckline. If this neckline is getting broken, which is 1379 is broken, then we can expect some good sort of bounce. That is where we have to take an entry. If there is a good bounce closure above this 1379 with no rejection and a good volume, then we are good to go for a small ride. The ride will be around not less than 4%. So intraday will also give some good points, as well as if you are taking the stocks without any margin, you can hold for next another at least like 5%. It will be going towards this. So the stock will give decent return till this area. Even the gap can be filled. So that is where we can book the profits. Yeah, that is all about the one call. The second call is going to be a short opportunity. Yeah, it is in Axis Bank. The Axis Bank price action seems to be very clear. It has formed a high, low, lower high, lower low, and it has formed a lower high. So what can happen is, definitely it can come down to give a lower low. So this, if we have to take a call at this level, which is going to be 788, if we are again seeing this level, then definitely that can be a double top, and we can take the call with just 2 points, 2 to 3 points. 791 will be the stop loss, and if it is coming down, definitely it can come towards 780, 770 and 760 in the next within a day. It will not come towards the 760, but it will definitely give you minimum 2% of profit when you short at this level. If this is taken out, then we can expect some ride in the upside, but looking at the structure, definitely this is going to be the level where we can go for a short, and we can book some good profit, at least like 1%, 1:1. It is a decent returns, and if it is going to be 1:2, then it is going to be a marvelous return. If you get a chance at this level, we can definitely go for a short, keeping a very small stop loss and look for a good profit with a stop loss of just 3 points. If you are getting 7 to 10 points, that is going to be a 1:3 ratio. So that is going to be a very risk reward ratio call. We can go ahead and take this call. Please do your own analysis before initiating any trades. This is my personal humble view. So please do your own analysis and take the calls. Yeah, we'll have a small look on the newses. So very important news is going to be like, S Bank has filed a plea for insolvency proceedings behind Zealand. Then the Franklin Templeton is here to stay in India. We are hiring and getting ready for the new launch funds is the news, and Twitter is in the final phase of negotiation on sale to Elon Musk. and the future group lenders to plan to drag other group companies to bankruptcy. This is how they can become maximum debt recovery, do the debt recovery. That is what they are looking for, and that is one of the reason why Reliance also got dragged today. So for past few days, Reliance wasn't supporting the index, but right now, after giving a good result, it has started coming down. This is also one reason why it has started coming down. However, the important news is going to be the Chinese are looking for some lockdown in due to the COVID. That is one of the most important reason why the Asian market fell down today. And US government has planned to raise the interest rates. That is the main reason why the global market has fallen. So these are going to be the important news. Please plan your trades and accordingly safeguard your portfolios. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.